Hello Dnation and welcome back to a classic unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be unboxing the Norton Commando 961 SE Classic Sport, which is a 118 scale motorcycle manufactured by Welly. And this is an all-time classic. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a window-type Norton Motorcycle affiliated boxing manufactured by Welly with all the product branding and information. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of the all-time classic Norton Motorcycles, and this is a premium and well-detailed replica and has a good build quality to it and has quite a bit of intricate details. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking like the real deal. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 2.8 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 100 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand and a lot more, which makes it functional. And with this licensed model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place this beauty on the D-Nation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium model. So with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at this all-time classic in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this diecast model, here are a few fun facts. The Norton Commando was a British Norton-Villiers motorcycle with an OHC pre-unit parallel twin engine produced by the Norton Motorcycle Company from 1967 until 1977. The origins of the Norton Commando can be traced back to the late 1940s when the 497cc Norton Model 7 twin was designed by Bert Hopwood, initially having a nominal 750cc displacement. In 1973, it became an 850cc. It had a Hemi-type head similar to the all-OHV Norton engine since the early 1920s. During its 10 years of production, the Commando was popular all over the world. In the United Kingdom, it won the Motorcycle News Machine of the Year award for 5 successive years from 1968 to 1972. Given that its engine was an old pre-unit design, even Norton's chairman Dennis Porre expressed surprise at the Commando's remarkable success. And for further information on Norton motorcycles, kindly check the links in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go ahead and check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this Norton Commando 961 SE Classic Sport. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unboxing review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our exciting and upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.